有点巧克力，然后把这边的剪开，这边。
对，就把这个固定在这个肚子上。哎，你看不对呀，你把这个解开。
They are making some flowers. I don't know what they. Hello guys, welcome back with another video. In today's video, I was about to go and meet one of my Chinese friends, and I really enjoy our the interaction that we have when we first met. He's friendly and he's very cool. So I was about to go and meet him. Then when I entered the train, then I met two foreigners from Pakistan, and them two, we start, having good conversation with them. And in China, foreigners are friends. If foreigners clash, they will, oh, what's up, bro? They will just start, making a good conversation with each other. So then they told me, why not we should go and, why not we should go to the place that they are going. They invited me. Then I said, okay, so why not let's just go together. So right now we are on our way, to go there, and the place will be excited. That's what I think. But I don't know. But till I go there first, then I will figure how the place will look like. So if you are watching this video, you have to stay tuned. The place will be excited. So let's go back. So we are still on the way, enjoying our ride before we arrive, and we are enjoying this beautiful view, as you can see right now. Now look at the view. Look at people are just minding their own business. Look at these, look at these, back there. Beside me are kids just playing, just chilling. Yeah. So let's go, guys.
तो किसी और जगह नहीं.
Yo, what's up?
You're still with your camera.
Yeah. So look at the guys that invited me to,
It was not an invitation. It was nothing.
Yeah.
You are getting the Pakistani hospitable treatment outside the Pakistan. Because every foreigner that goes to Pakistan says just one thing, that Pakistani hospitality, they are awesome.
Yeah. So how about that fight that you're having with India? Now it's already solved.
It was just fun. We were having fun.
Oh, but now it's
Yeah,
everything.
it's chill. We have cut off our relation with each other, but otherwise, the situation is chill.
So now but Kashmir is India or Pakistan. Everyone have Kashmir. India have, Pakistan
India
have
have a
to.
part of Kashmir. Pakistan also have a part of Kashmir. But the Kashmiri says that they want to live alone. They want to be independent. So
How can they be how can Kashmir be a country? Now, can it depend on itself?
it's one of the most debatable areas. No country want to address it. So I think it would just stay disputable.
I mean, do you have the resources to become a country?
Become
the
a
resources.
in Kashmir?
Yeah, it have.
No, Kashmir cannot be independent. It needs a country, either India or Pakistan, but it needs a country.
Yeah, me too. I know that it needs a country. That's what I'm saying. It don't, it cannot depend on itself. Just if you say,
even if it would try to be independent, it would eventually be conquered by some country, because it's a main location. It controls the many rivers and seas that are important for hydroelectric power. So it can't be independent.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. For you, you can sit down there.
Oh, come, you come here. Come.
No, just sit down.
This is Ganjian seat.
You can. You are guest. You are our guest. You come.
No. You know, it's part of Pakistan hospitality. They are telling me they have one empty seat that there is nobody on it, and they are telling me to sit down. And they don't know how strong I am. Yeah, just sit down. No problem. Just sit down.
You come.
Sit down, please.
We are having fun.
Yeah, I can stand from here till the end of the.
Actually, it is okay for me.
So right now I'm with them and they are here. They didn't even know the location, but they are checking their phone. So right now we are on our way there. As you can see, let me show it to you, guys. Where we are entering don't have light, so it will be a little bit dark. So even me, I have never been to this place before. This is my first time. The reason why I'm even coming out right now is because, you know, I have this YouTube stuff going on. So I have to, you know, come out, you know, and shoot some content. Wow. Wow.
Let's hope so. We are going right.
Yeah.
I think that was the beginning.
Oh, is it building? Oh, yeah. This place look good though. Quiet and that is much, man. So what's the name of this place? Damn, the place look good, man. I hope you look good. See if you're a content creator. This is the building.
This is the entrance, but
What,
we need a
and-
smoke break.
Hmm?
Smoke break.
Okay. So you need to have some, you know.
Some nicotine.
Yeah. Some. So in your country you smoke weed, but in China it's a gate.
Bro, we can't even mention weed in China.
Okay.
So strict here.
But you too, did you start smoking in China?
Smoking cigarettes? No. Way before.
Oh, so but yeah, smoking is not. It's not that big issue. Yeah. So guys, we are here at the Hua-An Art Museum, so, and we are entering inside. It will be excited. You have to stay tuned till the end of this video. So let's go, guys. I'm waiting for them, you know, to refresh. You know, in China, if you want to refresh, there are some people if you want to refresh in China, like guys like us or like them. They will just, you know, have some, you know, cigarette. They will just light it on. But for me, it's gym. I will go to the gym and yeah. For me, I will just go and hit the gym. Then I will feel relief. You know what I mean? So, but some people, some is beer, some alcohol, some cigarette. So, but for me, it's beer. So I'm waiting for them. If they are done, then we will just, you know, pack our things and go in. So we are entering inside right now. Me, I'm like, I know many Pakistan culture, and you know me, I'm watching like Indian movie, In Nigeria, we watch Indian movies a lot.
We also watch Indian movies and
So that's why we are like I know many Pakistan culture. So yeah, you are Punjab, right?
yeah, I'm
Punjab.
from Punjab.
So
Like
how about
this-
that thing that you used to tie?
What? Oh,
That thing
Henna
that
Wala
you used to
Shi.
tie.
What?
You, what's up?
Yo, these are our classmates.
Yeah. Oh, I know this guy.
Which one?
This one.
Hi, bro.
I don't know where did I even know him.
We meet in the mosque.
Yeah. In the mosque.
Hey,
Every
clean my
Friday.
nose, Shigo, bata.
That one too. I know him. Huh? Yeah. What's up, bro? So all here are from one nation. As you can see them, they are both from Pakistan. Here we are. It's just Pakistan, eh?
Oh, yeah, it's just
Yeah, it's just Pakistan here. Yeah, as you can see them. But this is Chinese. Oh, this is Pakistan too.
Yeah.
Not from Pakistan.
But it's just this one that is not from Pakistan. Here we are just doing Pakistan thing.
Not.
Yeah. He told me that all his classmates are Pakistan. Then I said, wow, damn. Yeah, like.
Welcome. Dai hadal sara follow kai. Sumra khala kai yo follow kai. Say salam alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum.
Ma follow ka.
Mafa luga.
Ma
Arabic.
follow ka. You can say that follow me. Ma follow
Oh,
kai.
follow me.
Ma follow me. I will mention your account.
Okay. So we are out here. I didn't even know what they are doing, but they just give me some is it cotton or what? I don't even know. Then we'll just do some experiment of art. I don't know, but we'll see. We'll just stay tuned. We'll see what you are doing. So just let me take the view of the place for you guys. We just sit down on this big height, this long table from here to the end, as you can see. Let me zoom it for you. Let me stand up as we stand up so that you can see it clearly. You see, people are looking fast. So they are making some flowers. I don't know what they will do with it, but we'll see what they will do with it. Yeah, that's it. So I'm with them, and I'm not like it's just one of their classmates that invite me, or I will say two. Hey. How are you? Yeah, you have to tell them. See the badge. And I have my teacher, she's teaching me, as you can see. I'm right here with my teacher and she's teaching me. And I'm doing mine too, as you can see. Yeah. As you can see, everyone is just did it. So let me do my too. Alan Campbell. Yeah, making nice now. That's from east to this.
看香肠是用这里做的，是由这个可以变成这个。我们可以自己做它。
Again, we can make another one.
Look at what they are trying to do. As you can see, that's what I first put the first design on it. So they will make this with it. Look at.
Next one.
Oh, before I. Yeah, sure. We just arrived and I just come out from the train, and those Pakistani friends that I met, they went back to their school. Me too, I'm going back home now. So yeah, that's it. But I really have fun, and it it is excited, and they are very kind, and we have a good time. And I'm really happy of with how they treat me. So this is where I will be ending my video. Don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on your notification so that we can continue this journey together. So I can't wait to share more with you all. Bye. See you in the next one. Peace out.